People often ask me, where do I like to fly the drones? And for me, there is only one answer. This is a place where drones are made for nature, landscapes, breathtaking scenery, all captured from above. The forest is a place where the only sounds are the birds singing and the winds howling. It's a place away from the hustle of the city. And you might be thinking that the DJI Mini 2 is soon going to be replaced. But these are all taken on the DJI Mini 2 with simply ND filters and my own colour grading Luts. The forest calls each and every one of us, but only a few will hear the call. Let me show you.